Hello, this is Rakesh Rao from Design Sense Software Technologies, Bangalore. In this CADPower video, I'm going to show you how you can label the angles of a polyline segment. So if you go to CADPower under annotation, we have this command called label polyline angles. You can run it from the command line by typing cp_ang_label. You can select both open or closed polylines. Accordingly, there will be a slight difference in the menu that you will see. So for open polylines, the command will ask you on which side you want the label. You can choose either between left side, right side, deflection angles, or both. So let us choose right and see how it works. So the dimension distance I have specified as 1000. You can specify it as per your convenience and as per your scale. So I'll say OK. So the moment I have done that, you can see that the labeling has been done on the right side. So this is the start of the polylines. So from this start, when you go, whichever side is right, you can see the label will be on the right side. So the label that is placed here, which is an angular dimension, which measures the angle between the two segments. So in a similar manner, if you run this command on the closed polyline, let us see what we'll get. So I'm just going to click the command once again, label polyline angles, pick a closed polyline. So here I get these options: interior, exterior, deflection, or both. So I'm going to choose exterior. The dimension distance is still 1000, and you can see that the exterior angle has been labeled here with an angular dimension. So this command is quite useful for many situations. Example, when you are doing some survey traverse of an area, or if you want to cut a metal part or cut any fabrication part and you want to measure the outside angle. So it can be useful for both civil engineers as well as mechanical engineers for surveying, mapping, and so on. There is also a deflection angle option. So let's try that here. So let's say I go here and click on this open polyline. Okay, before that, let me just delete the existing labels, and I'm going to now show you the deflection angle option. So I select this. Now I'm going to reduce the distance here, because for deflection we don't need such a high distance. So 200. So now you can see that between one segment and next segment, whatever is the change in direction, that is called as the deflection angle. So that angle is shown here as 29 degrees. So here it is 17 degrees, and here it is 1 degree. It's almost a straight line. Here it is 27 degrees turning to the left, and so on. So this command can do polyline labeling in different ways, and I'm sure this command will be quite useful to you. Now you'll have to think where this will be applicable in your work, but I'm sure this is one of the useful commands for many of our users. Now I can show you here same command running in ZWCAD as well. It runs identically like in BricsCAD or in AutoCAD. It's available in the pull down menu as well as in the ribbon in all the platforms that CADPower runs. So do let me know what you think about this command, and if you have any feedbacks to improve it, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video.